welcome to the online class. Already we have studied in the previous class how to calculate the arithmetic mean, that is by direct method as well as by shortcut method. So now we will study the same thing, arithmetic mean, that is by using another method known as step deviation method. So now that we'll see step deviation method. For calculation of mean, we will use step deviation method for the calculation of mean. So this is the class 0 to 10, suppose 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 40, 42, 50, 50 to 60. This is the class. Then we will write frequency so class is given within 10 interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20 like that, and frequency also given to you. So that what you have to do, you have to find the arithmetic mean. What method is step deviation. So if question will ask you to find a particular method, in that method only you have to find. So now what you have to do, you have to construct a column. So that you write midpoint. Midpoint, suppose I took the symbol M. Small m, I took the symbol for midpoint. So how can I detect? That you have to remember lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. That is the formula to find the midpoint. In order to find the midpoint, you have to use this formula, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 10, like that way you get 5, here also 15, here you will get 25, here you will get 35, here you will get 45, here you will get 55. So already you got the middle point of the class. Now what you have to do? Again construct one column. Suppose I put the symbol here Y. So you have to remember from this midpoint you have to select any number. Suppose I selected here 35. Generally, from the middle number is selected. Number will be selected from the middle of the column. So now what to do? You have to write here assumed mean is equal to 35. It means we consider 35 is the assumed mean. So this 5 minus 35, we got minus 30. Similarly here we got minus 20, here minus 10, here 0, here 10, and here 20. But we are done this number minus assumed mean, this number minus assumed mean, so that we will get this column. Then next column you have to construct That is say y dash. Y dash. So see here, what is the class interval? Class interval is 10, 0 to 10, 10 difference, 10 to 20, 10 difference. So you have to do this number. It means whatever you got your y value, that divided by the class gap or class interval. So class interval is 0 to 10, 10 difference. So you have to divide 10 by minus 3 0. So you will get minus 3. Here you will get minus 2, minus 1. Here 0, 1 and 2. Whenever you will divide this number by the class interval. Then last column you have to remember A into y dash. F into y dash. F means frequency. So now F will be multiplied with y dash. So that we will get this column value. So see here, 4 into minus 3, minus 12, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 5 into minus 1, minus 5, 0 multiplied, 0, 1 into 1, here 1, 5 into 2, that is 10. So, what we have done? Frequency will be multiplied with y dash. Understood? So now we have to add the total frequency. It means summation of it. Otherwise, you can say that is also sigma f. So what we are getting? 20 you are getting. Sigma f is 20. Now calculate sum of fi dash. So sum of fi dash, summation of fi dash you are getting. What? See, the negative value total coming minus 23, minus 23, and positive value coming 11. So total you got what? Sigma fi dash is minus 12. First you add the negative numbers, then you add the positive numbers, then finally you add. So you will get sigma fi dash, that is equal to minus 12. So now how can we find out the mean? Remember, mean formula is now you have to write arithmetic mean. So mean formula is assumed mean plus sigma fi dash divided by sigma a into class interval. For step deviation method, this formula we use assumed mean plus sigma fi dash by sigma a into class interval. So what we will get by putting the values, by substituting the value, am already we consider 35, sigma fi dash, what we got sigma fi dash minus 12 divided by sigma a 20 into class interval. It means this gap that is 10. So what you got now? 35. So that you got minus 6. After calculation you got minus 6. So total result you got 29. So this method is known as step deviation method. By using this, how you will calculate the mean. So dear students, in order to find the mean of any class, any discrete data, otherwise any group data, already we have studied three formulas. What are the formulas? One is for direct method, another is for shortcut method, and another is for step deviation method. So I think you can do the numericals for mean, for calculation of mean by using any method out of the three. So now after that we will also now discuss another formula, another formula from data, that is known as median. That is also used to find the average. So that is also having application in statistics. So that will be about now median. So see how can we detect the median. Suppose I will say in a class 5 students secured the following marks like this: 10, 8, 12, 14, 9. Out of 15, when full mark is 15, 5 students secured the following marks. So you have to say what is the median of the sequence. What is the median of the sequence? So in order to find median like this sequence, what you have to do? First, you have to write the numbers that is in ascending order. It means in ascending order, first number will come 8, then that is 9, then 10, then 12, then 13. If you arrange the numbers in ascending order, that will come like this way, otherwise you can say the sequence is like this way. So what will happen? Just the mid data. Mid data means middle data. So middle data is here 10. So you will say 10 is the median. So you will write median represented by capital M small d. So median is equal to 10. So this formula is applicable where the data are once only used, and if the data you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is a odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is a odd number. So for odd number, generally the middle data will come as the median. Middle data will come as the median. First you have to write the data in ascending order, then which will come in the middle, that will be the median. Suppose the data is in even number. Suppose I will write like this way. Another number I added 13. So same procedure will be followed. You have to write the numbers in ascending order. So first data will come 8, then 9, then 10, then 12, then 13, then 14. Here you see how many letters are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is a what? Even number. 6 is a even number. If 6 is a even number, so what you will say? The median will be just you see here middle position 10 is situated, 12 is situated. So you write 10 plus 12 divided by 2. It means you are getting 22 by 2, that is equal to 11. So if the data is in even number, in previous case that was odd number, but here what? Even number. If even number, then what will happen? Now ultimately you see in the middle 2 data will come. If in the middle 2 data will come, so that sum of the 2 divided by 2, because 2 data are there. So you will get the number 11. So in this way, if the data is once used, how can you find out the median? So that thing you have to remember. But remember, if the data are in discrete form, but it is used for more than one. Suppose you see here, suppose data is like this way, X, F. For 3 times, 12 each for 2 times, like that way data are given. How can you detect the median? So you have to remember another column you have to construct, that is called CF. CF means cumulative frequency. CF is called what? Cumulative frequency. CF, cumulative frequency. So these 3 will be here 3. Same. Always remember first will be like that. Then these 3 added with 2. 5. This 5 added with 1. Like this it will come. So whenever you will add the total 8, total frequency you will add, you will also get the same number 13. I will write A is equal to 13. You see, if you are finding the cumulative frequency, that procedure is like this first number, then first number added with second number, then that number added with third number, then what we got there added with this number, like that way. What you will get in the last, if you add all the frequency also, you will get the same number. So how can we detect the median? Now we can write middle position. In middle position what will come? Always remember, if the data is in discrete form, if the data is in discrete form, it means like this way, no group, then formula is n plus 1 by 2th term. So n means this number, or write this number. So you will write 13 plus 1 by 2th term. So middle number will come 7th term. So now middle number will come 7th term. So you have to remember, from the CA, from the cumulative frequency, you have to find the number which is just greater than 7. Which is just greater than 7. So just greater than 7 is 8. So make it a box. You have to remember from the number 7, which number is just big. So that is coming 8. So make a box. So you will find that number from the X data, that will be the median. So median will be 14. So you will write median, that is equal to 14. So in this way, if discrete data is given and frequency is given, so how can you find out the median? This is the method. First you have to detect cumulative frequency, then total A is called summation of A or small a, then for middle point you have to remember n plus 1 by 2, n means 13, so you will get this m value 7. So you have to detect that number which is just greater than 7. So just greater than 7 is 8. So make it a box, and that number in the X column will be counted as the median. So median will be 14. So dear children, we have already completed median for ungrouped data or median for discrete data. Next class we have discussed about median for group data. So now a similar question I will give you as home task. So you may write a home task question for you. Find the median of the following data. Find the median of the following data. X, here is F. So this is the question for you to find the median. Okay, thank you.